Hi friends, welcome to Kanhaiya channel. So today we will see how to run Windows 10 or Windows 11 from pen drive in Windows 7. So we will use Windows to go technology, and with this you can run Windows 11 on unsupported PC. For example, I will show you how to run Windows 11 or Windows 10 in a PC with Windows 7, and it also has the benefit of portability that you can run Windows from a pen drive and it will have all your data saved in it, and recovery that if a PC is not booting, then you can place this pen drive in that PC and you can use the file explorer to back up the data from the hard drive of that PC which is not booting. So let's see how to make this pen drive and run Windows 11 in it. So as the first step, you will have to check if your PC is 64-bit capable. For that, click a start button, then control panel, and in the search box type performance information and tools. Click the first one. Then click view and print details, performance and system information. Then as you can see, it is showing yes in front of 64-bit capable. So what it means is that if your PC is 64-bit capable, then it can run Windows 11 and Windows 10 32-bit and 64-bit both. And if it is not, then you can run only Windows 10 32-bit. So I'll tell you how to download the ISOs for both. So for downloading ISO, open your browser and type Windows 11 ISO. So click on the first one, Microsoft Download Windows 11, and scroll down, and then we select download drop down menu, select Windows 11 and click confirm, and then select the language and click confirm, and then click 64-bit download. And for downloading Windows 10 ISO, type Windows 10 download in the search bar, and then click on the first one, Microsoft Download Windows 10 disk image ISO file, and you will not see an download ISO button here. So click on the three dots, then more tools, and developer tools, and again these three dots, more tools, and network conditions, and then scroll down in user agent, untick the use browser default, and drop down select Chrome OS, then reload the page for the workaround to work, and then scroll down and you can see the option now. Select edition Windows 10 and confirm, and select the language and confirm, and then you can download the 64-bit version or the 32-bit version as I told you earlier. If your PC is 64-bit capable, then download 64-bit, else download 32-bit. So now let's install Windows to Go Creator from AOMEI. Actually, Rufus doesn't support creating Windows to Go drives on Windows 7. Click on this second link and click on download freeware. I'll provide the links in the description. So after it has been downloaded, double click on it and install it. I am going to install it in D drive, but you can install it in C drive, no problem, but make sure to have enough space, about 6 GBs, for the Windows to Go creation process. So after it has been installed, open it by clicking on the start button in all programs, in AOMEI Partition Assistant, and click on it. And it will open, and click on tools in Windows to Go Creator and click next. Select the ISO file we have downloaded earlier, click open, insert your pen drive, click next, select your pen drive, And if you haven't inserted, insert it now. Click refresh, then select your pen drive and proceed, and yes, and it will begin. It will erase all the data on your pen drive, so make sure you have taken a backup beforehand. It will take some time, so be patient. It took me about an hour. I recommend using a 32 GB pen drive at least. You can use an external hard disk also. So now it has been done. Close it and eject the pen drive. And now I will show you how to run it. So now set down your PC and insert the pen drive. Press the power button. And you can see we are booting into Windows 11. It might happen that your PC might not boot into Windows 11. So for that, insert the pen drive, press the power button and press the boot menu key when the company logo shows up. Select the USB key SanDisk to boot into Windows 11. And press enter for selecting it. You'll boot into Windows 11. And press the power key and I'll turn it on once again. And again the boot menu key, and I'll select this hard drive to boot into Windows 11. So this way you can switch it. For knowing the boot menu key, you can search the internet with your laptop or desktop model. Search the boot menu key for this, whatever you have, laptop or desktop model. Now we are back into Windows 11. It's getting ready. I have fast forwarded the video somewhat. It will take you about an hour to set up it, but it will take this much time only for the first boot. From the next time you boot it, it will not take this much time. Now let's connect to a Wi-Fi. Click next. Then next. And it will reboot. It might reboot a few times, so don't worry. Now read it and click accept if you agree. Let's skip naming your device. You may name if you want. Continue. You can set it up according to your own preferences. After setting up the Microsoft account, you will see this screen. Set your preferences and click accept. Set up as a new PC. It will again reboot. So we've booted into Windows 11. You might see a few issues, but they are only for the first boot. So now you can take this pen drive anywhere with you and plug it in a PC and access Windows 11 with all your data on that PC. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.